The power of labels and learning. Hello everyone, my name is Maribik P. Escala, a second year college student from Butuan City Colleges Incorporated, taking a Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teachers Education, major in Food and Service Management. And today I'll be sharing my reflection about the power of labels and learning and how it connects to symbolic interactionism. In symbolic interactionism, we learn that people act based on the meanings they attach to things, and those meanings come from social interactions. In the classroom, the words and labels we use can strongly affect how students see themselves and how they behave. And now let me share a real example for that. When I was in high school, I remember a classmate who was often called a slow learner. Teachers and even some classmates would say things like, she's not that smart or she can't do it. Because of those labels, she became quiet, stopped participating, and lost confidence in herself. She believed that she was not capable. On the other side, there was another student who was always called a top student. Teachers trusted him more, gave him more opportunities, and classmates respected him. Because of the positive label, he became more confident and always tried to do better. This situation clearly shows symbolic interactionism. The meanings created by this label shape the student's self concept and behavior. The slow learner label made one student act less motivated, while the top student label encouraged the others to perform even better. Their behavior was influenced by how others saw and treated them. As a future TV teacher, I've learned that my words and interactions have great power. Instead of labeling students, I will focus on encouragement and support. I will use positive feedback like saying, you can improve it, or I believe in your skills. I want every student to feel capable and valued, no matter their level. In my classroom, I will create an environment where labels don't limit students, but instead empower them to do their best. Because when students feel respected and encouraged, they gain the confidence to learn and grow. Thank you.